In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy a house in realestate.com.au. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in realestate.com.au. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of realestate.com.au. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options. You'll be able to find the options like buy, rent, sold, address, agents. What you have to do is make sure buy option is selected. Now what you have to do is search for the suburb, postcode or state in which you want to buy the house. Simply click on the search bar. Now enter the suburb, postcode or state over here. Once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option search that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the properties available over here. Simply scroll down to see the options. You'll be able to find various options. You'll also be able to see the price range over here. So what you have to do is simply find the house that you would like to buy. Once you do that, simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see more information regarding that house over here. You can also see the photos over here. What you can do is simply scroll down in order to get more information regarding this house. So if you want to buy this house, what you have to do is simply get in touch with the real estate agent. For that, click on this option, get in touch, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to ask your question if you want. If you would like to ask anything, you can simply click on this bar. After you do that, you'll be able to ask your question. Likewise, simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option. What would you like help with? You'll be able to find 4 options: scheduling and inspection, price information, rates and fees, finding similar properties. Simply check on the box of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to provide your contact information. What you have to do is enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now you can also provide the phone number if you want, and you can also provide the postcode. These are optional. Now after you provide the contact information, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to review and share additional details. You'll be able to find this question over here, what best describes you. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to find this question over here, do you have finance approval? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your inquiry has been sent. Now the real estate agent will contact you via the contact information that you provided. Simply contact the agent, follow all the instructions provided by the agent, and you'll be able to buy the house. So that is how you buy house in realestate.com.au. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.